Hi, Chicago car crash lawyer Scott DeSalvo, and in today's video we're going to talk about Chicago car crashes and what you need to do if you've been involved in a car crash. If you're not sure what to do after a car crash, if you've been involved in a car crash, that really puts you behind the eight ball in trying to protect your rights and get recovery if you're injured in the crash. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video, so stay tuned. Welcome back. If you've been involved in a Chicago car crash, the first issue is, are there any bodily injuries? Was anybody in your car or who you know injured in the crash? If nobody was injured, then it's just a property damage claim, and that's something your insurance or the other driver's insurance should be able to take care of for you automatically. After all, that's what you pay for insurance for. So what you should be aware of, though, is my advice to people who are involved in a Chicago car crash without bodily injuries and they're concerned about getting their car repaired or car rental, what I tell them is look at your insurance company and its reputation and the person who hit you, their insurance and its reputation, and then make the claim with the more reputable insurance company. So for example, if the guy who hit you has a substandard insurance that doesn't return your phone calls, your path of least resistance is to call your insurance company if you had full coverage and have your insurance company fix your car, and then they will in turn make a claim against the substandard insurance company. You know, you get into a car accident that's not your fault and your car's damaged, you shouldn't have to suffer by making a million phone calls to an insurance company that's not responsive. So take the path of least resistance and get your car fixed that way. If there are injuries involved in your car crash in Chicago, then what I would tell you to do is make sure you get to speak with the police officer and make sure the police officer makes the police report and blames the guy who actually caused the crash. You can do this by remaining calm and factual when you're speaking to the police officer and respectful. And if you had any other witnesses, either in your car or out on the street or in another car, who support your version of how the crash happened, make sure they speak to the police officer too. Getting an accurate police report which blames the correct party is an important part of the claims process when you've been involved in a car crash. And if for some reason you get a moving violation ticket, running a red light, failure to yield, running a stop sign, speeding, these sorts of tickets, if you've got a bodily injury claim, you don't want to go to court and plead guilty to those tickets, because pleading guilty to a moving violation is an admission in the civil case. So you've got to fight that ticket if you get a ticket mistakenly. The last thing I'll mention is if you or somebody in your car has been injured, even a little bit, you've got to get to a doctor and get checked out and make sure those injuries are documented. And make sure you tell the doctor all the parts of your body that hurt, because that's important. If every part of your body that's injured is documented in a timely fashion, you're really putting yourself ahead of the game if you have to make an injury claim. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this information helped you. Take care. If you have any questions, I offer a free no-obligation consultation, so call me at 888-HURT-318. The call and the consultation are free and available 24 hours a day. Or if you aren't ready to speak with a lawyer, click the image of the DVD and the book on the screen, and you can get a free copy of my injury DVD and book, which explains how the injury claims process works and answers the most common questions injured people have. Same deal, 100% free and no obligation. I look forward to hearing from you. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. Or if you'd like to see more of my videos, click subscribe. Thanks again.
If you've been hurt, insurance treating you mean, call 888-HURT-318.